In the last months, we have achieved quite a lot of stuff on the station. One of them was the finishing of the facades for the Matariki target, so you can see the whole sky island with the lights on the top. We put a lot of glass on the canopies, and the station entrances are getting to a completion on the outside. Currently, we are delivering the inside of the station entrances, so there's a lot of work going in there with the threshold gantry ceiling, which is the Te Waihorotiu river reeds, and the tubular ceiling on the station, and we are starting the ticket counters as well for next week.
So recently we complete the timber batten. We also complete the cladding between the B1 concourse and B3 platform. And just last week we complete the porcelain cladding on B3 platform. We're currently working on the terrazzo B1 concourse and B3 platform, and we also work on the balustrade.
In the last 2 months, we've been focused to complete all the mechanical and electrical rooms. Those rooms pretty much done and handed over already to the next team.
Also, the screed was done, and the epoxy flooring, you can see it's all done as well. The walls painted, and the doors even protected after we painted the last coat.
So in the last month we have achieved handing over the 4 UPS rooms. Currently we are working on the tunnel ventilation system power. In the next month to 2 months we're looking to hand over the tunnel ventilation system to testing and commissioning. Also looking to hand over the escalators and the lifts.
Welcome to CR2 on level 2 Wellesley building. One of the 2 handed over comms rooms, which we've been achieving over the past couple of months. And in the upcoming months we'll be looking to complete the 2 comms rooms on P1 concourse.
So we've been working really hard with the TVS system. We started with installing the diffusers and the space nuts, and then we have just recently moved the fan onto the foot. We finally have got the chillers onto the seismic springs, and we've been installing all the acoustic requirements from above. For the next 2 months, we're looking to move into more of the commissioning phase.
Hey, so on the surface and the urban realm team, in the last couple of months we've completed the Hollywood corner, the northern side of the Kingston footpath and paving. We've also had an amazing ceremony for the replanting of the Harvey tree, and we've also completed the northern side of the Crown Plaza service lane footpath and road.